Title: Nature's Symphony, a celebration of Earth's bountiful splendor. Introduction. Word count: 367. Nature, the exquisite tapestry that envelops our planet, has captivated and inspired humanity since time immemorial. From the towering mountains to the vast oceans, from the lush rainforests to the delicate petals of a flower, the beauty and intricacy of nature leave us in awe. In this 10,000-word exploration, we embark on a journey through the diverse realms of nature, delving into its profound significance, its delicate balance, and the lessons it imparts. Join us as we celebrate the kaleidoscope of life, and delve into the wonders that nature unfolds. Chapter 1: The Majesty of Landscapes. Word count: 857. 1.1 Mountains, pillars of Earth's magnificence. 1.2 Oceans, vast aquatic worlds. 1.3 Rivers, the lifeblood of the earth. 1.4 Deserts, harsh beauty and adaptation. 1.5 Forests, enchanted sanctuaries of life. 1.6 Canyons, nature's sculpted masterpieces. Chapter 2: The Circle of Life. Word count: 983. 2.1 Flora, nature's green architects. 2.2 Fauna, a symphony of animal kingdom. 2.3 Insects, tiny wonders with profound impact. 2.4 Birds, feathers and flight. 2.5 Marine life, mysteries of the deep. 2.6 Microorganisms, unseen forces of nature. Chapter 3: Biodiversity and Ecosystems. Word count: 1,238. 3.1 Ecosystems, a harmonious interplay. 3.2 Rainforests, the lungs of the earth. 3.3 Coral reefs, underwater vibrancy. 3.4 Grasslands, vast expanses of life. 3.5 Wetlands, nature's filters. 3.6 Tundra, life on the edge. Chapter 4: The Healing Power of Nature. Word count: 1,146. 4.1 Biophilia, our innate connection to nature. 4.2 Nature Therapy, healing mind, body, and soul. 4.3 Wilderness and Adventure, thriving in the outdoors. 4.4 Gardens, cultivating serenity. 4.5 National Parks, preserving nature's treasures. 4.6 Conservation, protecting Earth's fragile heritage. Chapter 5: Nature's Lessons. Word count: 1,092. 5.1 Adaptation, nature's masterclass. 5.2 Interconnectedness, the web of life. 5.3 Resilience, weathering life's storms. 5.4 Balance, nature's perfect equation. 5.5 Impermanence, the cycle of life and death. 5.6 Sustainability, learning from nature's wisdom. Chapter 6: Threats to nature and conservation efforts. Word count: 1,227. 6.1 Climate change, nature's greatest challenge. 6.2 Deforestation, the loss of Earth's green guardians. 6.3 Pollution, tainting nature's purity. 6.4 Extinction crisis, protecting Earth's vanishing species. 6.5 Indigenous wisdom, guardians of nature. 6.6 Conservation initiatives, hope for the future. Chapter 7: Our role in preserving nature. Word count: 1,189. 7.1 Environmental responsibility, nurturing Earth's gifts. 7.2 Sustainable living, choosing a greener path. 7.3 Conservation education, empowering future generations. 7.4 Advocacy and activism, the power to create change. 7.5 Nature-based solutions, coexisting with nature. 7.6 Restoring nature, a pathway to healing.